Nurani nitiyo gidaka karanotiyo gidaka pareo ginyiri hachiel nukta prabroko dangwen kendo bedo jaloch e tuke mag goyo abal mag peak sports mano obagi county ma Nairobi. Nurani mane piem e kidieny mar jotugo ma hikgi nie kind 7 gi 8 noloyo piem mag mita 100 kendo tieko motelne Vushas Njuguna gi Telvin Washira mano otieko thuolo mar 2 gi 3 kaluwore kidieny mar jotugo manyiri manie higa mar 7 gi 8 piem mar mita 50 backstroke. Kail Nabuko notieko thuolo mokwongo gi dakika 1 gi nyiri 5 motelne Mudhoni Gashugi gi Taraji Mwikali. Ahana Varsani nobedo gi piem maber e piem mar nyiri mar brickstroke tok kao loch gi dakika 1 nyiri 12.81.
Sense of discipline, a sense of priority, and also good health, because I'm also into fitness. So it prepares them early enough for challenges that are ahead, and also just a mental fortitude. It gives them that courage and confidence to face life's challenges with confidence. Yeah.
What we are happy about is that most of the schools that are here is their first time to swim in these events. This tells you how the talent's growing.
I'm going swimming every day from Monday to Saturday. So I finish school, I go for swimming, then I do my other sports. Swimming is the first sport I did, then I'm like, why not try other sports? So swimming is the reason I'm doing mostly every sport.
Monday, Tuesday, I go for class, and at the evening by 4:30 up to 5 or 6, I go for swimming after school.